Another important application of Visual Basic for applications is the creation of user-defined functions. So let's say that I want here for 7. I want a function that is going to give me the same. So of this 2 by 4 and all divided by 7. You see, this is a formula. This is like this. I can also build this as follows. I'm going to drag this a bit down. Function or public function, but if you don't put the word public is considered as public. 3 formula. Okay, I have A, comma B, comma C. Okay, and then multiply by B and divided by C. Okay. Do it like this. Excel recognize this as a formula equal to this, and this. I'm gonna close this. Here you get the same result. Okay. Now if I'm going to formulas, okay, I can click on more functions or but you can, as you can see here, put or some more function. Go user define this one, A, B, and C. Okay. This is my formula. Okay. So we created a user-defined formula that we can use as it is here. Okay. As simple as that. I can also put this as integer. As integer. Okay, so I'm gonna check user defined, this one, this, and this. Okay, now I'm going to type this integer values. I'm going to do this operation. I'm going to trunc 0. So I will have a number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. I can also modify this, and instead of integer, I say as range, and as range. Okay. So if I'm going to type this as the 3 formula like this, and I'm going to type 0.1, I say I don't have 0, but I have a certain number. Okay, here we are. We created this. Very simple.